Hachalu attended school in Ambo, a city that came to symbolize the tenacity and unyielding determination of the Oromo protest movement of 2015-2018. In high school, Hachalu joined a school club where he began singing and participating in a clandestine student movement at a time when high schools and colleges became dissident political spaces and came under intense government surveillance and policing. In 2003, at the age of 17, he was accused of supporting the Oromo Liberation Front, OLF, an Oromo nationalist organization that has been banned, and was sent to jail. Prison did not break Hachalu's determination. It shaped him into the towering musical genius and cultural and political icon that he became. It helped him understand the precarity and vulnerabilities associated with his identity.